but his IQ is 250. Currently, he is trying to kill a woman who is walking on the street without being suspicious. He only needs to use a pen. Do you know how he was doing? First, the man observes the surrounding situation. Traffic lights change every 20 seconds. The boy rides a bicycle from afar with extremely fast speed. Traffic on the road will cause the trash can to shake. The bus stopping at the station is also about to leave. Then the man put the pen up in the trash. The corner of his mouth lifted. Game starts. The taxi goes through the puddle. The sound awoke the old man. Drops of water splashed over the pen. The old man saw the pen he wanted to pick up, but he was hit by the bicycle boy. That attracts the attention of the bus driver. Now the red light is on. The woman saw the green light and crossed the street. Then the man confidently left. All are under his control. All tight links are delicately calculated by him. But he's not born smart. A few months ago, his wisdom only stopped at 9 years old. He has a serious cognitive impairment. The current thinking of him, the common man, was basically inexplicable. The police very quickly arrived at the scene of the accident. The man soon fled. Other than a pen, there were no clues left at the scene. The police had not finished handling it. Traffic incidents elsewhere happened. This mentally minded man who stopped only at 9 years old had used a pen to complete a perfect assassination. There were 2 similar cases. The police had not yet calmed down. The third accident happened, but this time from 4 sides collisions, many people were injured. As the policewoman stood up, the exact same pen appeared again. The policewoman observed 4 sides to find a suspicious person. She looked out on the bridge, a monstrous man looking ahead. The policewoman shouted target detection. The man immediately tossed the bicycle he riding down the bridge. The policewoman went up on the bridge and drew a warning gun. This man did not panic. He slowly raised his hand, his eyes filled with confidence. Under the bridge, a car changed direction to avoid that bicycle. The man turned and jumped into that car, then made a provocative gesture and left. Then the police investigated a clue. The 3 victims all had mysterious connections with a drug manufacturing company. They immediately went to that company to investigate. Everyone in this company uses that kind of ballpoint pen. Then the doctor here told the police. A year ago they worked on an intellectual enhancement drug to help people with intellectual disabilities. Among the study subjects was that man. His name is Marlowe. A few months ago, his IQ was only 56. After a course of therapy, he can remember 1,000 decimal places of pi. After performing 5 treatments, his mental power multiplied. When the experiment is over, they'll bring the study subject's mentality back to its original state. The 3 victims were Marlowe's mental rehabilitation doctors. Only now did the police understand Marlowe's motives for murder. The doctor told the police Marlowe's address, but unexpectedly, now Marlowe was standing from a distance watching them. In his mind, he began to deduce. Countless images appeared. The result of the deduction is that the policewoman will die in an unexpected accident. His name is Marlowe. He is a man with the perfect butterfly effect. Others commit crimes based on recklessness and insight. He relies on the butterfly effect. Just one pen has completed 3 perfect assassinations. After the police got a clue, they went to Marlowe's house, but only met his sister. Marlowe leaves only 1 sheet of paper. Marlowe soon knew it would be today. He was meant to lure the police into a trap. Police based on the address above continued to search. Marlowe is standing in front of the window looking outside. His fingers did not stop moving. In his mind began to appear many images. The policewoman was smashed to death by cement. He closed his eyes, the finger pressed on his head in rapid motion. He started to reverse the image again. The woman's oxygen, roadside sign, the route she passed. Perfect. When the police arrived, Marlowe was on the way waiting for her. That evil smile again. He started running. The woman started chasing to a construction site. The same gesture. Notice board. Marlowe runs into a dead end. The woman also quickly came running. But this time management master miscalculated. The results did not match his deduction. This is a polluted area. People in here should breathe oxygen. If the policewoman took the oxygen tank, it would take a few seconds, just at the right time to be crushed by the cement. But unexpectedly, the policewoman did not recognize that notice board. Therefore, she avoids a collision. Eventually, Marlowe was taken into custody. Restorative treatment has not worked for him. His IQ is growing explosive. The only thing that could understand him was a computer.